AMP cost genuinely equivalent to $0.0033 a coin, which essentially is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.0033 0.0035, which essentially is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.0034, which for the most part is very critical. The change for the most part was 0.0001, 2.94%, or so they basically thought. Backwards rate, USD to AMP, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they basically thought. AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.0035, truly most extreme $0.0037, truly least $0.0033, exhibiting that MP cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.0035, truly greatest $0.0037, truly least $0.0033, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.0035, most extreme $0.0037, by and large least $0.0033, or so they thought. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.0034, kind of greatest $0.0036, fundamentally least $0.0032, or so they in a real sense thought. AMP figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.0034, really most extreme $0.0036, certainly least $0.0032 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.0035, sort of most extreme $0.0037, kind of least $0.0033 in a genuinely significant manner. In multi-week AMP estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0033, most extreme $0.0035, truly least $0.0031 in a very significant way. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.0033, all things considered, most extreme $0.0035, lovely least $0.0031, truly further appearance how pretty backwards rate, USD to AMP in an unobtrusive way. AMP figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.0033, most certainly greatest $0.0035, truly least $0.0031. AMP cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.0032, most extreme $0.0034, truly least $0.0030 in a truly significant way. AMP gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $0.0033, greatest $0.0035, sort of least $0.0031, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.0033, by and large most extreme $0.0035, by and large least $0.0031 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.0034, exceptionally greatest $0.0036, essentially least $0.0032 in an especially large way. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.0034, genuinely most extreme $0.0036, sort of least $0.0032, or so they certainly thought. AMP estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.0033, most certainly greatest $0.0035, sort of least $0.0031, which certainly shows that in multi-week AMP figure on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0033, kind of most extreme $0.0035, least $0.0031. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.0033, especially greatest $0.0035, really least $0.0031, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks AMP estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $0.0032, for the most part greatest $0.0034, truly least $0.0030 in a genuinely significant way. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.0031, for the most part greatest $0.0033, sort of least $0.0029 in an unpretentious way. AMP figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.0030, by and large greatest $0.0032, genuinely least $0.0028, which explicitly is very huge. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.0030. By and large greatest 0.0032, beautiful least 0.0028, exhibiting how in about 14 days AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.0033, especially most extreme 0.0035, kind of least 0.0031 in an unpretentious way. AMP figure on Friday, June 2, cost $0.0029, truly greatest 0.0031, least 0.0027, in every practical sense. Further appearance how MP conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.0033, extremely greatest 0.0035, truly least 0.0031, which for the most part shows that in multi-week AMP gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0033, especially greatest 0.0035. Genuinely least 0.0031, which especially is genuinely critical. In about a month AMP cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.0029, especially most extreme 0.0031, exceptionally least 0.0027, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.0030, greatest 0.0032, truly least 0.0028 amazingly. USD to AMP conversion standard certainly equivalent to 304.88 coins per $1, which sort of is very critical. Today, S reach 28329. 30488. So MP figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.0030, especially greatest 0.0032, least 0.0028, which really is genuinely critical. The past day, S nearby 290.70, which essentially shows that MP figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.0034, kind of most extreme 0.0036, least 0.0032. Change for now plus 14.18, plus 4.88%. Pretty further appearance how MP cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.0033. Beautiful most extreme 0.0035, lovely least 0.0031, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. USD to AMP cost figure for, in the not so distant future in month, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to AMP figure on Monday, May 8, cost 285.71 coins. Most certainly greatest 303.03, especially least 270.27. So MP cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.0030, kind of most extreme 0.0032, certainly least 0.0028, exhibiting how in about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.0033, most extreme 0.0035, beautiful least 0.0031 in a significant way.